First, push the safety button to the lock position to lock the Starlyf Fast Sew and insert 4 AA batteries. Hold the Starlyf Fast Sew correctly with your thumb on the power button and your fingers wrapped around the bottom of the machine. To begin, raise the needle by turning the rotary wheel clockwise. To install the spool of thread, remove the spindle, put the spool of thread in place and connect the spindle using the bobbin shaft. When the spool has been installed, pass the thread through the eye of the needle arm. Then pass the thread over the tension control wheel. Moving the wheel in one direction or the other allows you to choose the level of tension for the stitch. Finally, before threading the needle, pass the thread through the ring below the needle arm. Now use the threader to thread the needle from back to front. Now lift the fastening plate and place the fabric underneath it. Unlock the safety button and press the power on button to begin sewing. When you have finished sewing, lock the safety button again and cut the thread that connects the fabric to the Starlyf Fast Sew. Raise the needle from the fabric by turning the rotary wheel, then lift the fastening plate and gently remove the fabric from the machine. After you have removed the fabric from the sewing machine, pull the leftover thread by the end under the fabric to finish the stitch and tie a safety knot if you wish. If the thread is on the top side of the fabric when it is removed, you must tie off the stitch or it may come undone. To tie off the stitch, turn the fabric over, insert the hook into the last stitch and pull the thread until it comes out completely on the underside. Then pull the thread to secure the stitch. If you start to tie off using the penultimate stitch by mistake, be sure to continue with that stitch and do not go back to the last stitch.